Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Lexus Beauty. Today I will be sharing my 4 fall lippy must-haves for 2021. My Ruby Kisses Forever Matte Edition. These are going to be my go-to colors for all fall, but this is what they look like. I'll be showing you all the colors one by one. First, I'm going to start with the color Maxi. I'm just going to color swatch so you guys can see. That is the color Maxi. So what I'm going to be using to line my lips is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Soft Brown. So if you want more of a fuller lip, you will line your lips a little bit underneath your natural line. Are y'all excited for the fall? I don't know why, but I'm so freaking excited. I have so many fashion looks that I want to kill. Okay, so this right here is how my lips look before I apply Maxi, and they just look regular, smegular. Oh, and before I even get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so other beauties around the world can find me. Also, make sure that you follow my Instagram at Iamqueenlexus. That way you guys can keep up to date with me, know what's new in my life, know when I post. Everything will also be posted in the description box, so be sure to check that out below. Okay, so what a gorgeous color. So of course with matte lipsticks you guys have to wait for a minute before it dries, and of course when wind touch it, it'll dry quicker. I'm being a blabbermouth right now, so of course it's going to dry a lot quicker, but I'll be right back. I'm going to get my best friend. I'm back with my bestie. So we just gonna wait till this dry, and I'll see if I want to apply another coat or not. I don't think I have to. What do you guys think about this color? This color is so cute. Again, this is the color Maxi. Period. The color is so freaking cute. It's like a daytime or a brunch type of look. Day party maybe. I don't party, so for me it's more of like a daytime when you're just out and about. This color is nice. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this lippy off, and then we're gonna go to the next color. It's called My. Yeah, so it's in this shade. It's really cute. It's like a hot orange. It's like orange, reddish. It's such a cute color. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. But first, of course, I'm gonna wipe off my lipstick. What I do to wipe off my lipstick is I just get a regular wipe and some good old coconut oil. Coconut oil is the best makeup remover in my opinion. You guys, I did this video probably about 3 times already because I wanted to make the perfect video, and then I realized nothing is perfect. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I did this video like 3 times. Like on the first video during this process, I was taking off the lipstick, and when I got done, I saw that all of around my lip, my makeup was gone. So I was looking mad ashy. It was just not good. So you guys pretty much know what I do is I go ahead and line my lips with my Anastasia in the color Soft Brown. Can you guys in the comment section let me know what is your favorite part about fall, fashion wise? Like, do you have a go-to makeup look that you do for the fall? Do you have a go-to lip color? What is your favorite part about fall? Is it because y'all gonna be inside and y'all not gonna be outside no more? Let me know. Okay, so this is the color My. This is what she looks like. And of course I'm gonna color swatch. Ooh, I'm such a makeup freak. Color is like I said, like a hot orange. It's like an orange red. To be honest, it's the perfect mix between orange and red. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I tell you, this color is freaking beautiful. Make sure that you get the inner portion of your lip. So yeah, make the pouty face and get this part, get as much as you can, because you don't want to be talking to somebody and like, I don't know, half of your lipstick is not even on. I'm in love. You guys, this is my favorite color. Oh wow, my ring light. This is definitely my favorite color. Look at this. Wow.
I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost.
But to be honest with you, for me, this color is more of a date night type of color. Like, this is definitely nighttime all day. Put in the comment section below which, like, how would you rock this? Would you rock this in the daytime? Would you rock it at night? Is it an evening time? Is it a corporate? Is it a day party going out? What color is this? This is nice. I just can't stop. It just makes you want to hug yourself, don't it? So pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and try out this color called Angel Wings. It's so cute. It looks like your everyday go-to type of color. It's called Angel Wings. So let's see what it do, boo. Also guys, let me know in the comment section if you want to see more makeup looks from me. If you want to send me items or things to review, fan mail or appreciation mail, letters, gifts, make sure you check out my description box below, because I do have my PO box there specifically for you all. Okay, all right, so this is how my lips look just with lip liner on. I'm gonna do a quick swatch. This is what this color looked like. It is so cute. It's kind of nude but nice. It's neutral. Looks like everyday. I'm gonna begin to apply this all over my lip. Like, the name should be lingerie. It's so smooth, like butter. It just has a smooth vibe to it. I love this color. This is definitely an everyday type of look. You can wear this with anything, with going out clothes. When you want to be cute, go to your boyfriend's house, but you just want to slay on the low, you know? You can dress it up, dress it down. This is nice. Do it like it's your B-Day. This isn't the do it like it's your B-Day look, but it's like the do it like a week before your B-Day look. You gotta prep them, okay? They should have named this color Silky, but it's called Angel Wings. That's fair enough. Fair enough. This color is nice. I could play on here all day. But yeah, so I love this color. Definitely a fall must-have. I can see this color with a nice two-piece sweatsuit. You know the routine. I'm gonna wipe this off, and then we're gonna go to the next color I have. It's called Dune. And this is what she looks like. Very neutral. I don't know how to describe her just yet, but yeah, this is what the color looked like. This color is so beautiful. I don't even want to wipe it off. That color is sexy. So line your lip. All right, and we done. I'm just playing. Just kidding. If y'all have made it this far into my video, y'all are the real MVP, okay? I give you the go emoji, and I'm the Capricorn here. I highly appreciate it. Like I said, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And comment below, let me know where you guys watching from, because I definitely want to know who my supporters are. Y'all are family. Subscribe already if you haven't, and hit that notification bell. And also follow me on IG. Iamqueenlexus. I'll make sure I put a pop-up like right there. Yeah, so make sure that you go ahead and do that for me, and I highly appreciate you for tuning into this video. Y'all are amazing. So yeah, let me go ahead and apply this. This would be a good color to put in the center to complete your ombre look. Yeah, this color is giving me ombre. If you want to do like a purple lip color, like put your dark purple base on your lips and then put like this color in the center. This is a good ombre look, or even pink. This color is cute though. Let me go ahead and do the swatch for you guys. Kill me. So this is what it looks like. It's super neutral. It looks like one shade underneath than the Angel Wing. I definitely would not do this lip color without a darker outskirt, because then, I don't know about you, your skin tone, your complexion, or your preference, but I will look ashy if I just was to put this on my lips without outlining it. She's bomb. This color is cute. That pretty much wrap up the video. Let me know in the comment section below, which color might you rock majority for fall? I definitely want to know so that I can maybe do more looks with these colors for fall, to give you guys some inspirations. Give this video a fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Much love, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.